Alright guys, it's just me in the car today, by myself. Nobody else here. I'm going to this place, Linvilla Orchards. We go there a lot. I think, yeah, we made some videos there. There's some special edition beer that's coming out today. Ecto Cooler flavored and themed. It's green, flavored with oranges. If you're old enough, if you grew up in the 90s, I was born in the 80s, but if you grew up in the 90s like me, then you've had Ecto Cooler, the high C drink with Slimer on the front, and it was tangerine flavored. The best drink that's ever been made. They brought it back like a couple years ago, and I don't think they make it anymore, but this place is making it into a beer, and I'm gonna get a couple 4-packs. It's like $18 a 4-pack. Wish me luck. I know I'm gonna be waiting in line. Found myself a nice scenic parking spot. The main parking lot is completely full, and this auxiliary parking lot is getting full. Like, it doesn't look like it here, but there's a ton of cars. I hope not everybody is here for this beer, because I don't want to be in a long line. Guess I'm doing it for you guys and for me. Well, Amanda wanted me to get here an hour early in case there was a line, and this is where they're going to be selling it, and it's me and like 2 other dudes and a couple. This is pretty cool. This is called the Ship Bottom, or I think it is. This is where they have like their alcohol and stuff. There used to be like a barn here, and it burnt down like 20 years ago. They were supposed to rebuild it, but now it's just an outdoor like eating and drinking area. If I start to see a line form, then I am, I guess, getting in it. I do not want to miss out on this for anything. I'm trying to drink some of these tonight. You guys know what I mean. Unless you're under 21, then you shouldn't know what I mean. Turns out I was in the wrong spot. There is a ton of people here, and it's coming from that van right there. I can't believe I actually did it. I got the Ecto Cooler, waited in line for an hour. I hope it's worth it. It's flavored with like, yeah, Gushers. I said that already, I think. Gushers. I'll let you guys know how it is. I also bought a shirt. It glows in the dark, and I don't know if you guys know this about me, but I am a sucker for glow in the dark. Plus, I'm pretty sure the shirt will last longer than the beer does. I want everyone to know I was there. I was there, man.
We are making shrink art, and me and Marcy have.
And they didn't come with the right colors.
Yeah, Marcy's upset because they didn't come with black, but these are the ones we've done so far. We did candy and a bat and a witch and a ghost. Oh, where's your candy corn? Oh, and we did candy corn, but I can't find it. But we will show you guys what it all looks like when we're done. Here is the pumpkin that I just did. Perfect. Okay, so next what we're going to do is bake them. Marcy's going to spread them out so you can see all of them. And then I'll spread them out again once we put them on the baking mat so everybody can see them. Hey guys, happy Saturday. So it is October 24th, I think, and we are having kind of like a fall day in the life here. I think Roy took you to Linvilla. I'll put that, I think I'm going to put this at the beginning of the video and then put that later in the video. But anyway, today we are just having like a fun Halloween fall-y day last weekend before Halloween. So me and Marcy are about to bake some cookies. Okay, so all of our shrink art is made.
This is how little they are.
Yeah, they're so little, it won't even focus. Anyway, these are how little they are, and we are going to add some glow-in-the-dark paint to them and some beads that Marcy got out, and we're gonna put them on the string that it came with.
I mean, why do they look like...
Okay, so we are going to make the ghost shaped sugar dough cookies, me and Marcy is a really good baker, so she's gonna really make them herself, but I'm gonna help with the oven. Alright, this is our little ghost friends beforehand, and we'll see you back after they look nice and spooky and cool. And me and Marcy are about to bake the Trader Joe's pumpkin chocolate chunk oatmeal cookies. How excited are we?
So excited because I just want to eat those chocolate chips right now.
To the one. That's the one. Just one left. You did it! Good job! Alright, and this is what it looks like. Oop, sorry. This is what it looks like, and there's Marcy. Oh. Giving the cookies coronavirus. Ooh, that smells so good. So it does look like it's going to be a little bit of a dry dough. So I don't know if they want us to add more water, but maybe it'll all work out for the best. Okay, so this is what the dough looks like. And how many balls are we going to make?
24.
Yep, 24. Let's see if we can make 24 cookies.
So let me show. Yep. Shrink, but
These got bigger. All right, so here is our finished product of these cookies. Marcy's getting so excited about how they were so small and got bigger, but the shrinks started out big and got small. Science. All right, and then here is our meatballs. I mean, cookies. We're having so much fun. Okay, and here's these. I just want to show you guys one more time before they go in the oven. They might end up all like going together because this is not a very big pan, but honestly, I think that they'll be delicious even if they are one big cookie. And these look so good too. What am I gonna do with all these cookies? I don't know, but they look so good. Oh yeah.
the chocolate chips.
Alright, these look absolutely gorgeous, and I'll just let Marcy see up close, but I just want to show you guys real quick. These are gorgeous, and Marcy made them. Okay, and then just to add to the number of, like, as much food as I have to make today, I already made bananas, which I forgot to film for you guys. But Milo is eating food now. He's had white potatoes, he's had sweet potatoes, he's had butternut squash. Today he had zucchini. He had white potatoes with zucchini, and now I'm going to make him some broccoli. When I made food for Marcy, I used to think that, like, only fresh organic food was the best way to go, but actually in doing some reading, so you don't have to do fresh. It's actually when you get organic, if you're getting organic, you don't have to. You get it frozen because it's taken less time to travel. So it's actually, from what I was reading. It's actually more nutritious to get it this way. So the baby food maker I have is the Baby Brezza. This is from 2016. So I use it with Marcy. It's really simple to use. Anyone who's ever like given me a hard time, because just like breastfeeding, making your own food, people take it as like a personal attack on them. Like, oh, well, my kids had food that was made at the store. Does that, you know, and they think that you're like saying no, but the food that I make at home is better. And it's really not at all why I do it. But even if it was why I do it, I'm not anyone's business. Anyway, it's really easy to use because it steams it for you. So you don't have to worry about steaming it yourself, which I think that everybody's kind of like concerned with because that takes the longest amount of time. So with broccoli, this is going to have a lot of water in it because it was frozen. So I'm just going to show you guys how I do this. So I'm just going to do steam because it has so much water in it. So I'm going to steam it for 15 minutes. And just start steaming it, and then I'm going to dump out the water and then blend it. And I'll show you guys what it ends up looking like. Okay, and here is what the broccoli looks like. Very interesting, I do know. I'm going to go ahead and put this in the portion cups that we have. I think they're called like a wee sprout or something. Gonna put them in there and then portion this out, and I might take some with us tonight to the movie just so that Milo has something to eat too. Okay, so we just got in the car and I feel like I say okay every time I turn on the camera. Anyway, we are going to go to the Winter Gardens. Am I really this pale? That's so crazy. Anyway, I feel like Morticia, I feel like I have a light shining on my face. So we are going to the Winter Gardens. I don't know if I told you guys this. It was like 11 o'clock at night and I bought tickets for a drive-in movie. And I was like, oh, let's go see Hocus Pocus. Not realizing that the tickets were $40, and I was like asleep when I did. I don't know if I told Roy this.
How much?
$40, and we own Hocus Pocus, and we've seen Hocus Pocus like 10 times already this year. But we're gonna go anyway, and we're gonna go watch it, and I hope it's nice. People are saying the Winter Gardens is like very bougie, so maybe that's why it's so expensive. I don't know what my hand's doing, but we're gonna go pick up my sisters, and then we're gonna go get gas. Go get food, McDonald's, and go get my sisters, and then we're gonna head there. And I'll let you know the setup. Apparently it's some like really nice fancy gardens. We have our sport rack on our car, so we most likely will be all the way in the back. Okay, we made it to Hocus Pocus, and we are singing up the audio on Disney Plus because we can't get the FM radio station to work. I don't know if Roy had told you guys earlier about the beer that he got, but here it is. It's green.
Bum bum. I told them all about it.
Okay.
Bum ba da da ba ba.
I'm sorry for dripping.
Boston makes me feel good.
I'm going out to lunch with my friends, and I realized I forgot to end the video yesterday. So we had a lot of fun yesterday. What did we do? I don't remember.
Saw Hocus Pocus.
We saw Hocus Pocus, and that was very fun. We had that good beer, the Ecto Cooler. That was very good. And then we had the kids' pictures taken. Okay, well, anyway, I forgot to end the video yesterday, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. And probably, so I have a bunch of videos backed up, but after those videos are done, I'll probably do just a Halloween special. And we also have the carved pumpkins. We're getting down to the wire. And we made cookies, which you saw in today's video. So, alright, well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, please be sure to like it and subscribe and comment what your favorite part of the video was and what kind of videos you'd like to see from us, because I posted a lot this month, so I would like to see what you guys like. But anyway, I hope you have a good day, and Marcy, say bye.
Bye. Make sure you do
not thumbs down.
Click on the video.
Oh, click on one of our videos.
Subscribe to our channel.